In the energy quadrant, crude oil fell today, fell over 1% on the lows, getting as low as 58.20, but it bounced off those lows, still down on the day, right around 0.25%. Working on, not there yet, but working on its first down week in the past four. It had 3 up weeks in a row. This week could turn out to be a negative week if we get our 3rd consecutive day lower tomorrow. Today completes 2 consecutive days lower in a row. Refinery utilization in yesterday's EIA report fell a little bit, 86.6. Refinery utilization shows immediate demand. We saw the first crude oil build in the last 3 weeks, 2.8 million barrels, but there was a 2.9 million barrel draw in gasoline. We are at the time of year where the falls in refinery utilization could actually mean the start of refinery turnaround, which is when the refinery shut down parts at a time to retune for summer blend gasoline, then open them back up. So you got to kind of watch the next few weeks of RU if refinery utilization falls repeatedly and then jacks up over 1 or 2 weeks really quickly, then it is indicative after the fact that that was refinery turnaround. OPEC in the news as well, as President Trump tweets at OPEC this morning to increase production. This is the second time he's done that in the midst of price increases. It's been this particular production cut that's caused President Trump to do this in the wake of some slower economic data really across the world. We had U.S. GDP come in with a miss. It was a revision of fourth quarter GDP, 2.2 versus 2.6. So that could be part of the spark of him doing that. He's saying that the economies globally are kind of fragile, and increasing crude oil prices could sort of flip the economy, could be that straw that breaks the camel's back. Though so far they have never reacted to a tweet. Doesn't look like they would this time as well, and that could be an indication of why crude bounced off the lows.